Hi, I'm Chris. I'm here at Jayco HQ and I'm here to run you through the features of your Jayco RV. Let's go have a look. Fitted in your RV is a telescopic table leg that will provide more living space and flexibility within the living room of your RV. So to adjust the table, at the front is a black lever located under the tabletop. Use this lever to then move the table from side to side or backwards and forwards. Now to adjust the height of the table or drop it down into a bed, there is a black button on the table base. So use your foot, push the button down, and that will adjust the height of the table. And that's how the table leg will provide more flexibility in your RV. Thanks for tuning in, and for more tips and guides, please visit jayco.com.au and we'll see you next time.